Firstly, measure the amount of LED strip you need. Locate the cutting marks on the strip. They are little copper plates every 40 mm with a scissor cutting symbol. Using wire cutters, cut precisely along the guided line. Now you will need some LED extending cable, preferably red and black. Cut to the length needed and strip. Check works order. On one end, trim the twisted wires with wire cutters. Leave 2 to 3 mm of wire visible. Now solder the tips. Leave a decent sized blob of solder. On the LED strips copper plates there is an A+ and an A- on each connection pad. Using something like the solder reel to rest on top of the strip will help keep it steady when soldering. The black wire will need to be soldered to the - copper plate. The red wire will need to be soldered to the + copper plate. Making sure the soldered connections are not joined or touching, you will need to now cut some heat shrink insulation pipe to the required length. On average, 100 mm is usually given. Now using long-nosed pliers, pull the stretch piping over the end and start to open and stretch the pipe to allow for the width of the LED strip. Now feed the cables through the pipe, making sure the insulation pipe is covering the soldered terminals. Do not cover LEDs. Now use the hot air gun to shrink the insulation pipe.